Hi guys! Lately I've been into Chinese food and honey walnut shrimp has always been a favorite. It's lightly coated crispy shrimp tossed in a sweet honey mayo with candied walnuts, and it's so delicious. So let's get started.
The ingredients we're going to be using today are 1 pound of peeled and deveined shrimp, 1 egg beaten, 1 cup of cornstarch, ½ cup of walnuts, ½ cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of honey, and 1/3 cup of mayonnaise. Begin by mixing mayonnaise and honey in a small bowl. Season shrimp with salt and pepper, then dip each piece into the egg and dredge into the cornstarch. This will give the shrimp a nice crispy coating. In a small pan, bring a ½ cup of water and a ½ cup of sugar to a boil. Let boil for about 1 to 2 minutes, stirring occasionally. Stir in the walnuts. Let cook for another 2 minutes, stirring occasionally. Remove, drain, and set aside. The walnuts should have a nice thin layer of glazed sugar on it. While the walnuts are cooling, heat 1 cup of oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, cook the shrimp in batches. Cook until shrimp has turned pink and the edges are nice and golden brown. This will take about 1 to 2 minutes per side. You don't want to overcrowd the pan. This amount of shrimp took about 3 batches. Remove and drain excess oil on a paper towel. Now here's the fun part, mixing everything together. In a bowl, mix together the shrimp, walnuts, and honey mayo sauce. This recipe isn't heavy on the mayo like some recipes are, but you could add more according to your taste. Mix everything together until well combined. For the full written recipe, I have everything written in the description below. Okay, it's time to eat. I love this lightly coated crispy shrimp, and the honey adds a perfect amount of sweetness and tastes just like the restaurants. You guys, look how delicious this looks. And of course, Mommy's little taste tester loved this one.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Feel free to check out my other recipes. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching and see you next time.